Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to share sa inyo yung ultimate drugstore makeup kit for beginners. Kung gusto nyong malaman kung ano yung mga i-recommend ko ditong makeup products, just keep on watching. By the way guys, kung mapapansin nyo, naka full face makeup on na ako. Yung mga ginamit kong makeup products dito, yun yung ipapakita ko sa inyo. This is a curated makeup kit na galing sa akin. And I'm very happy kasi ganito yung itsura ng kinalabasan ng mga makeup products na i-share ko sa inyo. And also, hindi lang siya mga makeup products. May kasama din dito ang isang makeup brush set. Yung presyo nito guys, lahat ng ipapakita ko sa inyo ay less than 1,500 pesos. So kung nagba-budget kayo at gusto nyo na all-in na yung inyong makeup, eto, baka ito na yung sagot sa nahanap nyong makeup kit. Tried and tested ko na sila, nagamit ko na lang talaga sila the entire day, and super happy ako kasi imagine 1,500 pesos lang to. So, except for the mesh bag, etong makeup kit na to guys, itong lalagyan na to, hindi to guys kasama. Nabili ko to dito sa States, pero sa Pilipinas for sure madami sa department stores. Kasi mas gusto ko na mesh yung style ng aking makeup kit. Mas maganda kasi na visible sa akin yung laman ng aking makeup kit para at least mabilis kong makita kung may kulang ba. Start ko na guys dito sa makeup brushes. These are the makeup brushes from Mama Ann. Ito yung kanyang ultimate beginner na makeup brushes. Halos ano to guys, face brushes to. And kung beginner kayo, mas gugustuhin nyo na mag-start kayo mag-invest sa magandang quality ng brushes. Ito guys, this retails for 500 pesos and available siya sa Shopee kung saan nila binibenta ito. And ako guys, super happy ako. Madami-dami din akong mga hindi naman ako professional, pero meron akong pang pro na line from Morphe at saka MAC Cosmetics. And it works the same for me. I guess you just really need to know your comfort sa paggamit ng makeup brushes. And alam nyo guys, nasa sa inyo na yan how you play around with these babies. And to tell you honestly, this is a good investment. Katulad nito, this one you can use this for your foundation, but I use it as my parang blush brush. Tapos, meron ako for pangkilay. May kasama siyang flat shader brush. May kasama siyang ganito. Ayan, halos kompleto. Powder blush, pang foundation, pang blend. Pwede din tong pang highlighter, another parang concealer brush. And ito yung pinaka gusto ko sa lahat kasi it really hugs my cheekbones. Pang contour or pang bronze. Pwede din siyang pang blush on. So ito guys, good investment, 500 pesos, aesthetically pleasing, white yung kanyang handles, tapos itong kanyang ferrules, parang rose gold, and I'm super happy that I bought this. Hindi ako nagkamaling bumili nito. It's not just because it's Mama Ann's product, pero nagtitiwala talaga ako na maganda talaga to kasi I've already tried this. Yung mga ipapakita kong products ito guys, 5 peraso lang to. And kapag sinumatotal mo to, below 1,000 pesos. Ito kasi 500 pesos na agad tong brushes ni Mama Ann. And it will last you for years. By the way, wala na akong primer na isinama dito sa drugstore makeup kit ko. Pero I'm a primer believer, but the only thing is that wala akong pang nasusubukan galing sa Philippines. Wala akong na-try na nagustuhan ko. Yung Quick Effects Mattifying Primer, hindi siya nag-work sa akin kasi I have a very dry skin. So kung gagamit man ako ng mga matte foundations, hindi na siya ganun ka-okay sa akin. Parang nagiging cakey na yung aking foundation and concealers. So, for the foundation, ito yung isa sa mga favorite ko. I have a very, very dry skin as of the moment. And this one works for me. Make sure to apply your moisturizer, like your serum, your essence, your sunscreen, kung ano man yung mga ginagamit nyo, make sure na mag-prep kayo ng maigi ng face niyo para maganda yung kapit ng any foundation or concealer sa inyong face. So, ngayon, etong foundation na to, this is the Squad You Can Face It Foundation and I am in the shade of Warm Light. Guys, sa una mukha siyang maputi pero nag-oxidize siya sa aking face. I think meron silang available na 4 shades online sa Shopee and this one only retails for 180 pesos. It's full coverage siya, matte yung finish niya, at the same time long-lasting. para sa akin. It works for some people na napapanood ko na nagre-review nito, they have oily skin. And some people, hindi naman din nila nagustuhan. So, it varies sa skin type nyo and kung ano yung performance talaga ng isang produkto sa inyong mukha. Pero sa akin guys, it works for my dry skin even though this is a matte foundation. And it serves also as my concealer. As in, ayan, yun yung ginamit ko ngayon. This is not a full coverage concealer for me, pero it has a medium coverage to cover up my dark circles. And kahit na mag-pile on ka ng second layer dito sa aking under eyes, okay na okay siya guys. And kung makita nyo naman, diba, flawless ang aking skin. Again, this is just for 180 pesos. Worth the try siya guys. I know there are still a lot of base foundations na available sa Philippines. Pero ako sa mga na-try ko, ito yung isa sa pinakamaganda talaga. Ayan. If you want to share this out, you can do so. Kung gusto nyo na full coverage, pwede kayong maglagay ng second layer para at least talagang pakak yung inyong foundation. And it's up to you kung paano nyo siya i-apply. You can use this through a foundation brush, through your fingers. Medyo mahirap lang siya yung ganun kasi nga thick yung consistency niya. And also, you can use a damp sponge. After kong i-apply yung You Can Face It foundation as my base for foundation and concealer, pwede ko na siyang iset with a loose setting powder. And sa Philippines, ito talaga yung most trusted. Ito pa lang yung available na nakikita ko or na-try ko na loose setting powder. This is the Nichido Final Powder in the shade of Creamy Glow. Ayan. Maganda talaga yung performance niya. Siguro, hindi siya kasing ganda ng mga high-end. Pero with the price itself, 153 pesos, magko-complain ka pa ba? Sa aking dry skin, hindi siya nakaka-dry. Hindi siya nakaka-emphasize ng aking dry patches. And it does the job when it comes to setting my face. This is 25 grams. Ang tagal nito, guys. Ang tagal yung magagamit to. Another product for this ultimate drugstore makeup kit is this Careline Full Face Palette Play to Slay. Ayan. And this one, it details for 299 pesos. I think mas lower pa yung price niya before. Pero nakita ko kasi sa online, sa Philippines, parang medyo tumaas na yung mga bilihin. Like, nag-increase na sila ng mga price nila. Before, parang nasa 275 to 285. Pero ngayon, 299 pesos na siya. And you'll see, guys, you have for your eyeshadow, you have for your cheeks, itong blush on, also you have highlighter. So, syempre, beginner ka, you want to play around, you want to discover kung ano yung mag-work para sa'yo. With these colors, you can be playful. You can wear neutral colors, you can wear pop-up colors, tapos meron ka pang choices for your blushes, and also you got decent size of highlighter. To be honest guys, yung kanyang formula ay medyo dry, pero pigmented siya. Kukuha kayo ng product, talagang powdery siya. You really need to tap off the excess before you apply it directly to your skin. And sa totoo lang guys, walang tapon dito kasi ito yung ginamit ko for my kilay, for my nose line, for my contour, for my eyeshadow, and for everything. Like for the cheeks, for the highlighter. Andito na lahat guys. For 299 pesos, nagawa ko to, ayan. And I'm so happy. Nung una ko tong tinry guys, medyo na-disappoint ako. Siguro kasi, syempre meron na tayong standard na tinatawag. Dahil matagal na akong gumagamit ng makeup. So, alam nyo na, parang, ay, ang powdery naman niya. Meron kasi ako na-try yung EB Pro palette. Hindi siya ganun ka-dry and powdery. Pero, nung ginagamit ko to patagal na patagal, mas na-appreciate ko siya. Kasi parang all-in na talaga, andito na lahat ng kailangan mo. Ito yung ginamit kong shade for my kilay. And kung makita nyo, diba? Eyebrows on fleek tayo. For my contour, ito yung ginamit kong dalawang shade. Pinaghalo ko sila. I know, this is too deep. Like, for my skin tone. Pero, a little goes a long way. Dinab ko lang siya. And it works for my nose line, for my, ayan, pang contour. And ito naman for my bronzer. Like, a little goes a long way kasi this is very pigmented. If you are a beginner and hindi mo pa talaga alam kung ano yung gusto mo pang mag-explore, eto, try nyo muna to. Walang mawawala sa inyo. This is only for 299 pesos. And you will really enjoy this as in. Promise. For my mascara, alam niyo na, this is my trusted Maybelline New York, the Hypercurl Volum Express Waterproof Mascara. I think this is the best for me. This is only for 199 pesos. And minsan nagsasale pa siya ng 169, 149 sa online. And it really works for me. Kita niyo naman. Yung lashes ko, hindi siya ganun ka kakapal. Pero kapag in-applyan ko nito, talagang nag-open up yung itsura ng aking eyes. So, it really gives dimension sa aking eyelashes. Last but not the least ay yung ating lip product. Sobrang daming available na klaseng lip products sa Philippines. May bullet lipsticks, merong liquid lipsticks, merong lip tint, merong lip sunscreen. And para sa akin, guys, I think very basic, dapat meron tayong bullet lipstick, diba? Pinakamura na na-try ko at nagustuhan ko talaga yung kulay, kung makikita nyo. It's the right amount of having a warm undertone sa aking lips. Hindi kasi ako, guys, masyadong mahilig sa mga terracotta. But when you blend this shade from Squad Cosmetics again, ang ganda. Ayan. So, this is in the shade of Courageous. This is called the Soft Matte Lipstick. It has 4.1 grams. I-swatch ko sa inyo, guys. So, kung solid color siya, ganito yung kulay niya. It looks like parang terracotta, brownish. But if you're going to blend this or like shear this out, ang ganda nung kulay niya. As in, ayan o. Kita nyo ba, guys? Diba? Para siyang magiging MLBB, my lips but better type of lipstick. And ako, guys, ganyan kasi yung gusto kong effect sa aking lips. Parang gradient looking. Parang dito, ano siya, yung blurred out. And ito sa gitna, yung parang solid yung color. And ang ganda talaga. Tapos, hindi pa siya ganun kadayang. Kikita nyo dito, guys, meron akong mga patsi-patsi dyan. Onting na-emphasize niya kasi talagang dry talaga yung lips ko, guys, as always. Pero okay na okay. Maganda pa rin yung kulay niya. Medyo parang powdery yung feels niya. Lightweight. And feeling mo nga wala kang suot eh, ganun. And I really like the color. Of course, magta-transfer to, guys, kasi hindi naman siya liquid lipstick or hindi naman siya nagsistain, but it does the job when it comes to a basic bullet lipstick. So, ayun lang, guys, for this ultimate drugstore makeup kit for beginners. These are just recommendations from me, and I'm very, very happy kasi I have found gems na talagang mura pa, pasok na pasok sa budget, and very friendly for beginners out there. These products works really, really good. Ako, tried and tested ko na sila. Of course, guys, remember na hindi porket nag-work sa akin ay mag-work din sa inyong lahat. Pwedeng yung nag-work sa akin ay hindi mag-work sa inyo at yung mag-work sa inyo ay hindi mag-work sa akin. Pero pwede din namang mag-work sa atin both ways. So, trial and error talaga, guys, when it comes to makeup products. May iba na hindi sila sensitive sa mga ganitong makeup products. May iba na nagbe-breakout sila. So, it still depends on your skin type, yung performance ng makeup products sa skin nyo. Kaya, guys, for this video, sana natuwa kayo at may natutunan kayo sa mga i-share ko. This is just a random video na naisip ko nung nakaraan. Sabi ko, gusto ko lang magbigay ng tips sa inyo, and as what you can see, I think nabigyan ko naman ng justice yung mga makeup products with this makeup look. So, yun lang, guys, for this video. Sana natuwa kayo at may natutunan kayo sa video na to, and sana nagustuhan nyo tong video na to. Of course, if you do like this video, you can click the thumbs up button, and if you want to get notified with my future uploads in this channel, you can click the subscribe or the bell button down below. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you on my next videos. Bye!